Welcome to the Sunny Slim Effect. Today, do you know that there is an app which you can use to hide text in picture and send it to your friend or loved one? You will get to know. I want to introduce you to an app called QuickStego. It's an app which enables you to hide messages, text messages in common JPEG pictures. Your regular picture, you can hide messages in there and send the picture to your friends or loved one, to your business partner, and that message will be encrypted in the JPEG picture. When you send it to the receiver receives it and downloads it. You can also hide documents and send it to your friends and loved one. So with this video, I'm going to expose that app to you and show you how to use it. It's as simple as ABC. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you hit the bell notification for more updates on my channel. So let's head down there and practice how we can hide text message in picture and send it to our loved one. First of all, you have to search for, if you want to download QuickStego to your laptop, just search for QuickStego. It's very easy to download. You can see it. You can download it from all these sites free. Yes, you can see it. You can see how the app look like. This is a screenshot of the app, and you can just hit the quick to download button. Very simple file to download. It is not heavy. There are so many sites that have it to download. You can get it from this site and download on your system. It's as simple as that. Just download it and install it on your system, on your desktop. Then we'll carry on from there to the usage on how to use QuickStego. But before that, let me explain what QuickStego is. QuickStego is a lightweight encryption tool designed specifically to hide a message in pictures, with the goal that only the user of the QuickStego can recover and read the hidden secret messages. You heard it. And it lets you hide text in pictures so that only the users of QuickStego can retrieve and read those hidden secret messages. That's just how these tools work. Let me show you how to use it. This is how the QuickStego app look like. So if you want to use the app, you just have to get your picture. Get a picture on your desktop that you want to use to encrypt the message that for sending out to somebody else you want to send it to. You might have typed your message somewhere, or you type it directly. You just get your picture. Let me get my image. This is my image. This is the image I want to use, money image. So from there you can just type your messages. Let's assume I have copied my messages. Okay, type your messages, and you paste it there. Or if you don't want to paste message, you can just type, hey bro, anyhow you want it. Let me just copy everything. So you can see that's QuickStego can make this message only be seen by only that person, and this message is going to be hidden in this picture. Whenever the person gets this picture which you are going to send to the person will see the message, and the person has to have QuickStego on his or her Windows laptop. I've not tried it for MacBook, but it's for Windows. I've tried it. So both of you have to have QuickStego app on your laptop. That's one thing. So with this now, once you've typed your message, you hide the text first. The text message is now hidden in the image. You have seen it. The app shows you the text message is now hidden in the image. Then you save image. You cannot save the image to any part of your computer, anywhere, whether the desktop. You can see. Okay, let's save it. Okay, money pick 2. So this is our image here. So if we now send it to a receiver, let me act like a receiver now. I'm now the receiver now of that image. I will now go right now and open the image. That is, I have QuickStego on my on my desktop. You can see I have QuickStego app on my desktop as a receiver. All you need to do right now, once as a receiver, once you receive the image, you just launch QuickStego on your laptop as a receiver. You just open the picture in QuickStego app, wherever you have downloaded the picture on your laptop as the receiver right now. You just go to your QuickStego app, open the image on your QuickStego app. Definitely you will eventually see the text that is being hidden in that picture. Automatically you will see it. So QuickStego is a very good app for hiding messages. If you want to use it, you use it and install on your laptop. Both of you need to have the app. That is one thing you have to know. Both of you, both the sender and the receiver, need to have the app installed on your Windows laptop. We don't know whether it's available on Mac right now, but Windows is perfect. So you can easily hide pictures, hide text in pictures. Sorry, can hide text in pictures and send it with QuickStego app. So it is how. So this is just how this app works. It makes you to encrypt messages. QuickStego is a lightweight encryption tool designed to specifically conceal message in pictures, with the aim that only the user of QuickStego can recover and read the hidden secret messages. It lets you hide text in pictures so that only the user of QuickStego, that's only the sender and the receiver, will be able to read the hidden or secret message. Finally, value in this video, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, make sure you share this video, and make sure you tap the bell notification for more updates on the Sonny's name effect. I wish you the very best in your getting to know how to do things. Thank you very much.